Hello, 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 hi, everyone. Morning to the people in Singapore, and I think should be still midnight in in the European side. So yeah, today is another installation of my this weekly review. So weekly review, and also I do also um sort of do some prediction of what is going to happen of or let's say forecast of what's going to happen in the forex market. So yeah, without further ado, let's continue on with the usual where I will start on the forex factory. So forex factory wise, on Monday you can see that for Monday 29th of May, there's a couple of this holiday in the European side. So I think it's more, yeah, couple of reasons for the bank holiday. But yeah, just do take note that one of the big players, I mean like the UK and also the French and the German side, they are also on holiday. And also for the US, I think it's on okay, Memorial Day. Okay, so yeah, so Monday do expect the market might be a little bit quiet. So Monday tomorrow will be a bit quiet. Then Tuesday on Tuesday on, we do have some key news that's coming out from the Swiss franc and also the US side. And yeah, you can see from the calendar yourself, there are some high level news, or yeah, medium type of impact news, orange and the red ones, but especially so for the one on Thursday and Friday, which is related to the non-farm payroll like ADP, non-farm employment change, and then unemployment claims, and then the non-farm payroll on Wednesday. So yeah, do expect the liquidity to pick up as usual on from Wednesday itself, all the way to Friday. Okay, so maybe Monday, Tuesday might be a little bit more quiet. Yeah, I mean that's just my expectation. Okay, so yeah, moving on to the analysis. So let's move up to the chart that I want to show. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, this was the USD chart. Let's go down from the usual, the top down analysis. So yeah, daily wise, you do see that the USD is still pretty on. Let's see if you're looking on the weekly or even on the monthly time frame. Monday is still upside, still on the upside. I mean, this is unless you're trading on let's say daily time frame, but this is just a general, just give you a general view like how the market is looking like. And then yeah, so for weekly, you to see it's attempting to bounce back up from the key support over here on the weekly time frame. Weekly is still um uh a bit on the downside, but yeah, you can see if let's say you are like me, trade on the 1 hourly, trade on the 4 hourly, then yeah, I think we this is good enough for us to take our action on. Okay, so this consolidation that broke out, and then we do see this three a couple of pushes upwards. So it's coming to this downtrend line that you can see on the daily time frame. I mean, not to take very specific attention to it, but just to take note. Yeah, it's coming near to it, and then you observe that the Friday price action is a little bit more. Maybe it's because of Friday, maybe it's because of coming to a the uptrend. I mean a trend line, so it is having some more volatility, is having a doji. Okay, so over here, then yeah, if let's say things is going to go well, I mean for the USD, it's going to maybe pull back, push up further. It might be retesting this level over here, 105, around 105. Yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, 105. I mean, it's not exact at that line, but somewhere over here, it should be testing. And then yeah, I mean, of course, do expect some pullback, and then some correction and stuff like that. But overall now I don't think I will be going against the trend because it's still pretty solid uptrend, unless let's say you just want to take a quick one on the M15. Yeah, maybe there's something you can do, which I did on dollar Swiss franc on Friday, which just went broke even. I mean, break even. Okay, so that's that. But yeah, so let's revisit what I have mentioned about the USD. So I did mention about it pulling back on, let's say, Monday. I mean, it's just something that you should be open to anticipate. But I think it didn't pull back that much, or rather, it just went up for the whole. Yeah, pretty much in general went up quite well for the whole week because of the commodity weakness, and also euro and the pound isn't doing that well as well. I mean, in generally compared to the USD. Okay, so that's that. And of course, yeah, um, go with the trend as long as you can. And so far, I don't see any yeah, and any deep correction yet. Okay, so that's that. And then on the Euro USD, I think I mentioned about yeah, you sorry, USD Swiss franc. Okay, so USD Swiss franc, this was the um trend that was mentioned. So this was the last support resistance level. So we do see that it broke up, and then it indeed came back down. And then I was talking about this area. If I were to go to the 1 hourly, yeah, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, this was the place that I think there might be a possible um a reversal to be in play. I mean, yeah, reversal to go back upwards. So indeed, it went up, but the I would say the movement isn't that smooth, and also wasn't that decisive, right? So as you can see over here on the 1 hourly, so this was the inverted head and shoulder over here. And then, okay, maybe I change the color. This color looks the same. Okay, maybe we change it to red color, or okay, we change it to green. Okay, so yeah, um, over here you can see this was the inverted head and shoulder at a key support resistance level. Then there was a breakout. So yep, this was the breakout I took, and then it did came back a little. Where was it? Okay, yeah, on the Tuesday itself. So it did came back, and then yeah. So for me, I did a long, I think, over here. Yeah, this was the break, and then it didn't go up that much. But I was also on the trailing already. That's where I took my profit. And then my second position, I think, got took up when it just came down all the way. Okay, so that was on this dollar Swiss franc. And then subsequently there's also a breakout over here, which I took, and it didn't go up that much as compared to UJ, which I saw it over the on Monday. Yeah, on Monday I actually took UJ also didn't really move up that immediately, as in, yeah, as you can see over here. Now right now I'm on the dollar yen. So dollar yen, I yeah, this was the up, so sort of like the uptrend, and it's still pushing up further on the 4 hourly, also on the daily itself. So yeah, I was thinking, okay, I think it's a decent pair that I can trade on, because it has already cleared the last high over here. And this was on the Monday. So on Monday you can see, let me just put up the where it started off. Okay, so this was on Monday. Okay, so Monday started here. Okay, so Monday. And then if you are trading on the price structure, then you do see a double bottom over here, double bottom. And this double bottom actually coincide with the parallel support and resistance area. So yeah, this was the double top, and then price actually went up. I took some profit, and then yeah, you see it is a little bit whippy all the way until Wednesday itself. So I did take my profit on. I mean, I got stopped out by the trailing stop loss, and then also I took a profit somewhere at the top here because it has actually reached my profit target already. But I intend to just take off some and then leave some for it to run. Then yeah, subsequently you do see it just didn't go anywhere else. So that was the thing that I was monitoring. Quite a pain if let's say you are still in the trade. Okay, so this was the consolidation that it went through. Not until Wednesday when it broke out. So Wednesday until it broke out, yeah, this was where you can play the breakout as well. And then this was the FOMC, I think, some release of the, yeah, at 2 a.m. And it's here over here 2 a.m. And then I don't know what sort of thing actually happened over here. It has quite a big movement over here, which is about at least yeah 70-80 pip. Okay, yeah, so give the benefit of doubt, it can be some fat finger or whatnot. But yeah, the reason doesn't really matter. But what really matter is the price continue to push further upwards, and then it retrace, and then on Friday itself it did pull up back again. So overall here, for the US dollar yen, it's still on the upside. Nothing tasty enough for me to go on for a counter trend. Okay, so for this dollar yen, I think it's still should be going out if there's nothing, no changes to the price structure. Okay, so that's on that. And then yeah, so I would like to also move on to the week to come. So week to come, yeah, just now I have drop off from the US dollar. So US dollar, I did also put up my this analysis on the trading ideas. So the trading idea wise, of course, there are things that I will take a look on the daily time frame. So let me just remove some of these arrows. Of course, it's no doubt on a reversal, and also it's pushing up quite strongly. You do have a few of these three to four big green candles that's going upwards. So yeah, do expect pullback. And then as long as the price structure doesn't change, I think pretty much you will see more upside to come, and it might be magnetizing itself towards this last high. Okay, so that's that on the US dollar. And then for the pairwise that I'm sort of interested will be those like yeah, Euro New Zealand and things like that. So Euro New Zealand, after the Euro Aussies, yeah, maybe just talk a bit on the Euro Aussies. So Euro Aussies, okay, so this is a nice uptrend over here, but do also take note of this that I've mentioned about this area of reaction. Okay, so this was the head and shoulder that you can actually see, but it seems that it was invalidated. So this last right shoulder was actually invalidated on the release of the New Zealand rate. Okay, I mean New Zealand dollar, it also sort of affect the Aussies dollar. So yeah, especially if you trade Aussies New Zealand often, you do see that they tend to have yeah, quite a high correlation. Okay, so yeah, this was the breakout. And then you do see it is coming to this consolidation over here again. So from my perspective, what I do want to see is, of course, not going to, if I'm going to be bullish, I mean, for now I'm slightly bullish on this, waiting for either consolidation breakout, or if there's some of the consolidation for me to go on long on this pair. So yep, it's either going, I for me and myself is I'm looking at this to go up from here on, okay, to continue its uptrend. Okay, so that is that. And then for the Euro New Zealand that I've mentioned just now, something similar. So you do have a higher high over here already on the 4 hourly. So yeah, we are waiting for the pullback, or let's say there's a breakout, and yeah, you are also able to wait for some chart pattern for you to actually go on long on this. Okay, so this is still a up upwards movement from okay, yep, give me 1 minute. Let's try to, yeah, so okay, so this is the up channel. It's still on the upward, so maybe it will ding dong and just proceed onwards. Okay, so likewise on the pound Aussies is also the same. So yeah, this is in fact a little bit more is a bit more nicer chart as compared to the others. I mean the euro, because overall on the in general against the other currency, not comparing to USD, of course, the pound is pretty strong in that sense. So yeah, you can see it's moving up, and then over here it has already broke out, and yeah, if there's some pullback to come, then yeah, you can do look to go on a long. But of course, if there's some breakout from this consolidation wise, you can also take a look to play the lookout. Yep, I mean play the breakout. Okay, so this is the consolidation now over here. So yeah, these are some of the pair that I wanted to bring across for the week, for this week. And then last but not least, I also do want to revisit this New Zealand Swiss franc. So New Zealand Swiss franc, right? As I mentioned last week, this was let's go up to the higher time frame. Yeah, this was the support and resistance zone, or rather, this is the resistance that was retested last week over here. So over here you have 3 times that the resistance was tested, and then going down to the 4 hourly, and then you do see consolidation over here, which spill over from Wednesday to Wednesday, the previous week. Okay, so this was on the 4 hourly. So if you go on to the 1 hourly, you do see a head and shoulder over here, that this was the break, and then subsequently just went down. Yep, you can have some setup to actually continue this downtrend. Okay, so it's either you short the break, or you anticipated that this New Zealand dollar rate news will actually bring this pair downwards. Okay, so this was the pair that I've mentioned, New Zealand Swiss franc. And yeah, so that's all for this week. And then yep, if you have find that this analysis and all that is actually useful to you, you can share, like, and then yeah, see you next week for this analysis again. Okay, thank you, bye bye.